Island Solids, we're a family-run company operating out of Ballygallen in County Armagh. We provide a range of coleslaws, salads, desserts, supplying retail, food service, all made in-house by ourselves. We've been operating for about 25 years. Energy usage is a large part of our manufacturing, as we have a large range of refrigeration and storage facilities. The solar panel installation was to help reduce our emissions, cost saving, and also reducing our carbon footprint and do our part for the environment moving forward. Installing solar was also a strategic decision to reduce costs. We looked at a various number of suppliers and felt B4B provided the most knowledge, leadership and guidance in terms of the solar installation that was required by us. From start to finish, it was seamless, no interruption to production, manufacturing and day-to-day run of the factory. Daily updates provided on the progress of the project each day. The guys on the installation also provided updated information in terms of how the panels worked, the benefits of the panels and the savings we'd see on a day-to-day basis going forward. The installation entailed a 145 kilowatt solar system, which was 273 solar panels installed on the roof, each 435 watts along with 96 kilowatt of combined SOLAS inverters. We're already seeing a massive reduction in our energy bill, which is quite noticeable with the 26 megawatt in the first 2 months, and are excited to see the future month-on-month progress. 100% we recommend B4B Renewables to other companies. As I said, the process was seamless, professional and the leadership was second to none.